Do you want a s'more? Do you want a bite of this? Yeah? You saying more? S'more? You got this first? Like now? Are you ready to eat a s'more? Wait till Daddy gets it smaller for you. Mmm. Are you excited? You gonna eat your s'more? Ooh, he's trying to take a marshmallow. He's like, what is all over my marshmallow? Let me help you. Is there marshmallow on your hand? Let me see. Let me see.
It's still on. S'more, it's chocolate and marshmallow. How do you not like it?
We just made all these s'mores for you. Do you just want marshmallows that aren't so sticky? No marshmallow and chocolate? No graham crackers? Why are you so bad? You want some chocolate? You don't want chocolate.
Here. I promise you will like this problem.
Bite.
It's melting all over my finger. Rockland, please try it. Please try it.
Is that good chocolate? You gonna trust us now?
Yeah.
Try it again with the whole s'mores. Or at least like that, halfway. Give me that chocolate. Or are you gonna eat chocolate and have nice poops tomorrow? Look at him nomming on that. He took a bite. Alright, can you say bye-bye? Like, who am I saying bye to? Say bye-bye. Bye.